shit. Here we go again.
Carrying weapons on airport premises is prohibited, sir.
Welcome to the Vice City Big Mission Pack. Nice to see you here. I'm the author of this mod. Would you like a little tour of my mod? It's free. Okay, if you have any questions, you can find me here in the airport building. Also, you can send a letter to me at my email. Good luck and have fun in the Vice City Big Mission Pack.
Get lost.
We are going to the ice cream factory. Check your guns, ladies. This is not a friendly ride.
¿Qué es lo que estás haciendo?
Hey, you two. Who owns this factory?
None of your business. Get out of here.
It looks like we'll have to explain it in a different way. Guys, let's teach these freaks a lesson.
Something happened outside. Take the guys and go check it out.
Why are you hitting me?
What I do to you? What you
Why are you hitting me? What is all about? I think you want it like this.
Here we go now. What I do to you?
Why did you stop?
The Vice City King is back in town. Me!
That all you got? What's going on?
We got problems with the street kids.
Give me a hand. I got those clothes you want.
There are too many drug dealers in this area. It's getting harder to find customers for our stuff.
Forget about it, Mario.
This zone is now ruled by Rossetti Gang.
What did I do to you? What are you doing? You insist. Why you? What did I do to you?
Oh, come on.
Then you want to
You beat me up.
I'm next in line, man.
Get out of the way!
Ay, no! Ay, no!
Stop here! You're supposed to be fine! Easy on the giggles!
You're blocking the street.
What are you doing?
I really need to walk.
Step off.
Going pretty fast,